Today we are going to do a quick 6 makeup look using 6 items. This is a look that you can do quickly and easily in a snap and still make it to where you need to go on time. First product we're going to use is our Mineral Touch Liquid Foundation. Item number 2 is going to be a blush in the shade Sweet. Item number 3 is going to be our Splurge Cream Shadow in the shade Elegant. This is a beautiful gold champagne color. And then we are going to apply our Epic Mascara because we need our lashes. Product is our lip stain in the shade Shy. This is a kiss-proof, everything-proof lip product that will last you all day long. And the last thing we're going to use is our brow pencil, which is just going to fill in our brows quickly. First things first, we need a nice base on our face, and we are going to use the Mineral Touch Liquid Foundation, which is amazing. Using our liquid foundation brush, I'm going to shake this up real good, and then dot this all over my face. The next thing we are going to use is our blush in Sweet. Beautiful shade that looks wonderful on everyone. I'm using the angled blush brush. Let's get some warmth on our face. Now we look alive, right? It's amazing what a little color will do to you. I'm gonna put on some Splurge Cream Shadow in the shade Elegant. Now this is a cream to powder formula, so when you put it on, it goes on creamy and velvety, but it dries to a powder, so it will never crease and it will last ages. You can apply it with your finger or our cream shadow brush, and I am going to show you both ways. We're going to start with our finger and apply it right to your lid. Just a nice everyday look. That's not too much, but gives you that little bit of color and shine. Now let's use it with the cream shadow brush. This is a synthetic haired brush, which is what we need for creams. Just going to pick a little up. Place this on the eye. I'm not going to drag, I'm just patting that right on there. If we start sweeping and dragging this across our eye, it's going to get patchy and not blend well. Now let's add some lashes. I'm using our One Step Epic Mascara. If you have not used this mascara yet, you are in for a phenomenal treat. I'm going to press this into my lashes and watch the magic happen. Look at those gorgeous wings you can fly out the door with. Before we do our brows, we are going to go in with some lips. And I am using a lip stain today in the shade Shy. This is a color that looks beautiful on every woman. Lip stains are kiss-proof, waterproof, everything proof and they will last you all day, so you don't have to feel worried about your color leaving. Just a light color that adds a little bit of sparkle to your look. Our final thing is to finish our brows. So I'm going in with my brow pencil. I'm making little tiny sweeping motions just to fill in any of those areas that are sparse. Then we take the spoolie on the other end of this brow comb and we are gonna just brush it through our brows really quick. That's gonna soften and blend everything together so they look super natural. I'm gonna show you the power of our lip stain. And our quick 6-minute face so you are ready and gorgeous to fly out the door in a snap. And you don't have to worry about your makeup budging, leaving, or fading at any time throughout the day.